Yes! Goodbye! These are my friends. These are my friends.
Maising ka, alang-alang lang. Kay Manong.
Oh, look at the price of the gasoline. It down already. Ah, it down already.
Oh, pwede siya pala. Istal mo lang.
Oh. Pa mamaalam ka sa akin na una.
I'm so excited to mag-open no, ang
What is
Yugi.
Ako ya Yu-Gi-Oh.
Dako, galing screen.
Nang Laura will treat us for a coffee. Are you happy, Miss Alexis?
Miss Alexis is always happy. Pagpila niya ako na lang.
How much is the coffee? How much is the coffee?
Pila na kanila kami galing. Pila na 100.
Okay, how was it? Did you taste it
100
na?
pa lang.
Did you taste it na? Taste na?
Namit always.
Yeah.
Namit ginaya ka pa yan.
Buksan to ang ano, landers. How was the taste?
Saka lang karoon di ka tulog dahil.
How was the
Wala pa
taste?
pinag-dilute.
Eh ano biday shake biday please.
It tastes like Vietnam.
Ciao.
Nice, it's nice, it's nice.
Oh, one coffee for all. One laway for all. Day ang kanamit. Thank you, Dar.
Miss Alex. Or you try. Wala na lang galing ice. Kung coffee float, feel ko tamis man yun.
Gon.
Vietnamese kemi-kemi.
Ano tayo? Birds of the feather.
Gawa ka Oreo milk. Juice na lang. Oreo milk. Hindi ka nagkakaikan na. Ito, juice na lang.
Thank you ng Lord. Uy! Na lang for me. Lumit na. Lumit mo. Katimo ka pa. Mukbang with Eureka. Ako ni Saday. Gusto mo, Day? Na, Miss Alexis, oh.
Kasi mag-blow ko.
Ma? Blow job? Oh, no.
Ay, busog po ko.
Oh, nag-uba. Nisang pinakalas yun. Kanipis. Siyang ilang. Plastic cover. Wow.
Niya.
May puso. As in, favorite ko man yung bala. Taon sa...
Mas ihayap.
Sorry da. Bas matuluan ka dadaya.
Imo cellphone na to nang matuluan.
Hindi, oo.
Happy siya. Siya, amo ng utan. Galing ginag-crave. Muna siya utan.
Ang cute naman.
Uy, bye. Dali for rental.
Ah, okay. Correct?
Dami. For
Ah,
rental.
okay.
Hindi, may tag-iyo.
Aesthetic na. That is a straw in a straw. Pati, dahil mga biskwit lang man to na pangwa mo.
Dahil wala ka man kayo nung sa milk tea.
Thank you ng Laura. My wish for you is you will have a boyfriend. Ara na sila, oh, hili ka lang na.
Gaka-overwhelm ko sa spices.
Thank you ng Laura.
Kiss ko, Anaya. Sa buli.
Thank you na kamukhay ng Laura. Thank you, Lola. Ano?
Lala. Hindi ko. Dito ko sa flowers. Gusto ko pera. Pera.
Ako man.
We want money. I want money. I don't want flowers.
Oh.
Ginapilahan ko ba na?
Let's go! Stop! 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 Wait! 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 Stop! Let's go! Okay, now! Yay! We crossed the street together! Oh, you're crossing again! Wait! 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 Okay, let's go! Stop! Stop! Okay! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Because we care! Wow, that is so amazing. Look at these cars. It's so very good to the eye. Look at this McDo sign. Ala, wala na masyado cars. How was it? How was the car show? How was the car show? Ala, dire lang ko dayo. Dire lang ko na sa kilid na. Beating the red light. Beating the red light. Ay, ano ba? Beating the closing shift. They're cleaning na ha. Sorry po. Sorry po. Thank you ng Laura. Ng Laura treated. Ay, doon.
Hindi pala doon. Hindi magpakita kay
Ay, alam ko siya. Stop,
Sino ka Nicolila Stanley? Sino nilagay yung sa stage?
Para bang birthday mo. Thank you. Thank you,
This
guys.
is our contribution to the exit interview.
Hindi do. Ay, agi-agi.
Or imo phone ka? Palisin siya to Anay. Lisin siya to Anay.
Ako sa... Ay, hello.
Sir, pwede na po siya nag-stage.
For Jologs!
Gusto ko Sir Match para sa imo tayo.
Sana, dahil
Yeah, welcome to the vlog! These are my workmates! Yes, it's currently... Pag yung mga panty ko kag brand na iba, mga ano, post. Sorry. Tiba ako di sa bungday.
wala ka ito nagbabay kay Mana nga, ano na. Kung wala ka ito nagbabay sa, ano, kay Mana nga, taga inasalan daw.
Ayo, sige pang babae, yan, tana sila tanan.
So,
Wow, sobrang bingit. Ako lang di ba kanta ah. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.